TFL Park Hopper here at Disney's Magic Kingdom. And as you can see the clouds behind me, it's really cloudy. And today is forecast for about 80 to 100% chance of rain all day long. And I see people asking all the time, if it's rainy, should I go to the park? So today we're going to show you, is it worth your trip? And I would definitely say yes it is. So let's go in and see why. Okay, so as I said, today is supposed to be about an 80 to 100% chance of rain. The ground has little bits of puddles and things. It has been raining this morning, off and on, but it's been a light drizzle. No one really has their umbrella out right now or rain slicker. I have mine here in my bag. I always bring a rain poncho for rainy days, but at the moment not needing it. There is a few sprinkles going on, but nothing major. So here's the thing about Florida rain. Sometimes the rain forecast will show 80 to 100% chance and you think, gosh, it's gonna rain all day. Florida, it really does not rain all day. There's always breaks in the rain. Sometimes you'll get a downpour, but then those downpours will go away and they don't last real long. So with Florida though, you do have to be careful. If it's heavy lightning and thunder, you need to be inside. We are the lightning capital of the world, and lightning here is extremely dangerous. They will shut down all outdoor rides when it is lightning. So make sure that if you are staying at a Disney resort and you're coming this summer, June, July, August, September, you will have a very good 80 to 90% chance of afternoon rain every day between the hours of usually 4 to 6 p.m. And those will be extremely strong thunderstorms. So I would plan to be inside my resort hotel during that time. Maybe you've been at the park all morning, you came back, you swam, you know, that's your time to shower and clean up. And once you're ready to go out for the evening by 6, usually those rainstorms will stop and you can go back to the parks for the evening, have some dinner, and enjoy fireworks. So keep that in mind if you're coming on a summer trip. It will happen every day. If you are in the parks all day long, bring your rain gear, bring your rain ponchos, bring an umbrella. And when those storms get bad, hunker down inside. Dark rides are a great way to fill up that time, or shows that are indoors. And sometimes you can time it just right and be inside the whole time it rains and get out and it's almost over. So just plan for that. But let's say you're here other times of the year, like we are now. It's May and we've been having a week of rain. We had a tropical low and it just rains every day and off and on all day. This is a great time to come to the parks and bring your rain gear, because right now, as you can see, it's dry out. I've been walking around here for a bit and it's just perfect. And the crowd is low. As you can see here on Main Street, it's not that bad. And the ride times that I checked on the Disney app were about, Space Mountain had a 35-minute wait on the app. And a lot of the rides had under 30 minutes. So it's a great time to come and get some attractions done, because some people that are gonna buy day tickets will not use them. Oh, they're getting ready for a parade, so let me get here past the speakers. But they will not use those day tickets if they see that it's gonna rain all day, and that'll bring your crowd levels down. So keep that in mind for your trips when you come, because just because it says it's gonna rain all day, it's not gonna rain all day. You're gonna get breaks like we're having right now where you can walk around freely. And even walking around here in a poncho is not a bad idea. Most of the rides here at Magic Kingdom are inside. There's only a few that are completely outdoor rides, and anything that's inside you'll be able to do in the rain. So, and you'll be able to stay dry while you do it. You can do outdoor rides. They will run them in the rain. The only time, as I said, they will stop them is if it's lightning and thundering. So keep that in mind too. Typically if we're having all day rain, we don't get a lot of lightning and thunder, just steady rain. All right, so I hope that helps you trying to decide if you should come to Magic Kingdom or any of the Walt Disney World parks on a day in the rain. Okay, so since it is supposed to rain today, I planned all 3 of my fast passes for dark rides. So we're gonna start here at Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's go in and check it out. The current wait time for Pirates is only 20 minutes if you're gonna have to wait. So if you didn't get a fast pass, again, on a rainy day, 20 minutes, that's really short for Pirates.
Run up, you white flag, you scurvy.
Jack Sparrow, treasure Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up the arties.
Weigh anchor. Fool me, by God. Shoot all you want, Captain.
I raise a toast to one of my many shipmates lost at sea. Salute. Drink up, me on Rest with the
Okay, so we just came out of Pirates, and it's not raining. In fact, there's sun peeking out. So I came over here to see Big Thunder and Splash Mountain. Both of them have a 30-minute wait time. My next Fast Pass isn't for another 40 minutes. I got Winnie the Pooh because, again, I got indoor rides thinking it was going to rain. So I think we'll try the 30-minute Big Thunder line and see how that goes. Okay, so we made it on Big Thunder.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids.
Here we go. hope you enjoyed that ride on Big Thunder. That was only a 20-minute wait, by the way. We only waited 20 minutes, not 30, so that was cool. Off for our next Fast Pass.
Unbelievable wood. East wind treated. Yes,
If you ask me, he'll never reach that train.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Ruth.
Confound me. Don't you make you feel just great, doesn't it? Watch out for Heffalump and Wolverine. It's bigger. Last, the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too.
Well, that was fun. So a little update on the rain as we get off Pooh. It's slightly sprinkling. Some people have their rain gear on, others don't. To me, it's not hard enough rain yet to have a rain slicker on. So it's still pretty manageable. And again, this was supposed to rain all day. I've been at the park for 2 hours now, and this is the most rain I've seen. Is just this little bit drizzly sprinkle here going on. So pretty manageable, all right, and pretty doable for the rides. Like I said, I only waited in the Big Thunder line 15-20 minutes after it said it was supposed to be 30. I had fast passes for Pirates, Winnie the Pooh, and I had a Haunted Mansion fast pass, but while I was in line for Winnie the Pooh, I changed it and I was able to get a Space Mountain one for $2.45. So I switched it over to that. It's really easy when you only have 1 or 2 people in your fast pass party to change rides. It's a little bit harder when your fast pass party is bigger, you know, and able to get everybody in and switching rides. But sometimes to maximize my day, when I finish rides, I will log in and try to move the fast passes to a quicker time. You can move them up to the hour that you're in if you've already used your pass instead of waiting another hour to almost 2 hours for your next one. So that's a good way to do it and get more rides in. I'm gonna check out Cosmic Ray Starlight Cafe here. Maybe get some lunch while I wait for the Space Mountain fast pass. And here is Sunny Eclipse. Just finishing a soon. All right, I'm gonna come in here and get some lunch. Okay, I'm gonna show you a good snack value. This bucket of popcorn, the original time you buy it is $10, and every time after you want to refill it, it's $1.75 for your length of stay. So since I have an annual pass, I can get it anytime I come. But it's good for, you know, if you're coming for a week vacation or however long. They're really good value. Because then your snacks become really cheap. So check out the popcorn refillable buckets. They're all over the park when you come to Magic Kingdom or any of the Disney parks. All 4 Disney parks have them. All right. Hello everyone. We hope you enjoyed our video here at Magic Kingdom, showing you what it's like on a rainy day. As you can see, it wasn't too bad. We lucked out, I think. But if you're here this summer, keep in mind what I told you at the beginning of the video as far as the rain goes. And stay prepared. Always bring your rain gear. So if you liked the video, hit like and subscribe down below to see more. Thanks for watching.